Welcome to our comparison of two popular grooming tools, the Braun All-in-One Style Kit and the SHPAVVER Beard Trimmer. Today, we will dive into their features, performance, and overall value to help you decide which one is right for you. Let's get started. The Braun All-in-One Style Kit is priced at $54, making it a budget-friendly option for those seeking versatility in grooming. On the other hand, the SHPAVVER Beard Trimmer is priced at $59, which is slightly higher but offers a more extensive set of attachments. Both products provide great value, but your choice may depend on your budget and grooming needs. When it comes to attachments, the Braun kit includes 8 versatile tools suitable for various grooming tasks. In contrast, the SHPAVVER kit boasts an impressive 17 pieces, providing a comprehensive solution for all your grooming needs. This makes the SHPAVVER a more versatile choice for those who want a complete grooming set. Both grooming tools offer impressive cordless runtimes, with the Braun providing 80 minutes of use and the SHPAVVER slightly edging ahead with 90 minutes. This means you can enjoy longer grooming sessions without worrying about recharging, making both options convenient for users on the go. In conclusion, both the Braun All-in-One Style Kit and the SHPAVVER Beard Trimmer offer excellent features and performance. Your choice will depend on your specific grooming needs and budget. If you prefer a versatile trimmer with a solid reputation, go for the Braun. However, if you want a comprehensive kit with more attachments, the SHPAVVER is the way to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.